Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of tuning in, thank you for joining me today. My name is Miss Temple. I'm a teacher, an event planner, also an event host. On this channel, I vlog about education, events like parties, the Owambe thing. I also vlog about travels. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is a party I attended after leaving the Teachers Naija house. I hope you have a great time watching it. Enjoy! Celebrant, say hello. Celebrant is dressing up. We cannot wait to see the overall outlook. We cannot wait. Ready, girl, shake.
My name is Mimi. Wait. One thing about Tabitha is that
you have to say the truth. You don't say questions. You know everything about her. Yeah, let's
okay, so she's not very quick to making friends. She chooses her friends carefully. Mami, she has this much friends, and I know that they are more than this. So she's not quick to making friends, and when she eventually calls this person her friend, she goes all out for this person. She literally carries the person's matter on her head. She doesn't forget events about the person, no matter what it is, birthday, major celebrations, weddings, anything. She doesn't forget. And she likes to get gifts for her.
2, 1, spell. T-B-E-S-T.
But the thing is, I want to be sure if people I know you are fine.
Amazing for that Shade, the dressing for. Amazing for that Shade, she's out. So another person, let's start from. Oh yeah, no, forgive, yes, yeah.
Okay, Tom Zoomsy, gracious grace.
Oh shit!
There's no gracious grace. There is no gracious grace.
You used that word.
The second of Egusi. Thank you. 1. Big Madam, top shot. She's a woman, top shot. Somebody at top.
Hey! is so great. Your mercy and gracious. You redeem my soul from every destruction. I will sing your head. Dance like this. I will dance and lift you high and high. You mean so much to me, Jesus. No one like you. No one like you.
Over now and
High five.
Abio, we're going to our house.
I'll be expecting the letter, right?
Yes, definitely. In fact, we have made February.
Proud today.
I'm proud. Yes, ma. But if there is anything I can do before then, I really don't mind.
There is something you can do.
Please.
Birthday girl.
Ishawa.
The only choice.
Birthday girl.
I'll see you guys in my next video.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Bye. You will say bye. Birthday girl.
Bye. Thanks for coming.
Auntie
around.
Tolu. She wanna celebrate.
Bye bye, Auntie
Please,
Tolu. Nice
please,
meeting
now I want to
you.
wear one bear. So please. Alright.
For that Christmas party, oh.
Yes.
Bye.
Alright, guys. We had so much fun today. Oh, two. Alright, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. And of course, drop in the comments if you enjoyed the video. Bye, guys.